Best Luxury Convertibles for 2024 Mercedes-Benz SL-Class. In the competitive landscape of luxury convertibles for 2024, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz SL-Class emerges as a true icon of grand touring, combining timeless elegance with cutting-edge technology and exhilarating performance. With a legacy spanning several decades, the latest SL-Class continues to uphold Mercedes-Benz's reputation for crafting exceptional luxury vehicles. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz SL-Class is offered in a range of models, each meticulously engineered to deliver a refined and exhilarating driving experience. The base model, the SL450, is powered by a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine producing 362 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking even more power, the SL550 boasts a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, delivering a formidable 449 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts. Performance is a key highlight of the 2024 SL-Class. Its lightweight construction, sport-tuned suspension, and rear-wheel drive architecture deliver exceptional handling and agility. The available 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, standard on the SL550, enhances traction and stability, ensuring confidence-inspiring performance in various driving conditions. Whether cruising along scenic highways or tackling challenging mountain roads, the SL-Class offers a perfect balance of comfort and sportiness. Design-wise, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz SL-Class exudes sophistication and refinement. Its sleek lines, muscular stance, and distinctive grille make a bold statement on the road. The retractable hardtop can be raised or lowered in just 20 seconds, even while driving at speeds up to 37 miles per hour, allowing for seamless transitions between enclosed comfort and open-air freedom. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of luxury, with premium materials, artisanal craftsmanship, and state-of-the-art technology. The available air scarf neck-level heating system and air-cap wind deflector ensure comfort during top-down drives, while the customizable ambient lighting sets the mood for any journey. Technology and connectivity are seamlessly integrated into the 2024 Mercedes-Benz SL-Class. The Command Infotainment System, featuring a large touchscreen display and intuitive controls, provides access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings with ease. The available Burmester surround sound system delivers immersive audio, while advanced driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking enhance safety and peace of mind. Competing in the luxury convertible segment, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz SL-Class faces rivals such as the BMW 8 Series convertible, Audi A5 Cabriolet, and Lexus LC convertible. The BMW 8 Series offers a blend of performance and luxury, the Audi A5 combines sophistication with sportiness, and the Lexus LC boasts striking design and refined comfort. In conclusion, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz SL-Class stands out as a top choice in the luxury convertible market, offering a perfect synthesis of performance, style, and technology. Whether for exhilarating drives or leisurely cruises, the SL-Class delivers an unmatched open-air driving experience, reaffirming Mercedes-Benz's commitment to luxury and innovation.